Hi guys, it's time for another Glossy Box versus Birch 10. So I'm a little bit late with this month, and the reason is I was a little bit skint and the payment for my Birchbox did not go through on the first attempt. So yeah, reality, life, things happen. So I'm going to open the Birchbox first just because this packaging, like, this is gorgeous. I want to go and make cookies and keep them in it, and well, keep them in it for 2 seconds before I eat them. But yeah, I just think this is really cute. So I'm going to dig the wee book out as always. Alright. Okay, so, oh yeah, I am a fan of this product already. It is the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. The full size is £16. This is not the full size, this is a 5ml sample. It's a calming blend of lavender, patchouli and chamomile, and it's clinically proven to aid a good night's sleep. I have used this before and I enjoy it. I do also like Sleepy from Lush, just going to throw that out there, but this is also good and useful. Next, we've got a Jeu de Tom Smoothing Balm. Okay, and there's a little duck with a snorkel on there. So it says, whatever your hair type, this hard-working formula minimises frizz, restores softness and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair and then style as normal. So I do like those kind of 2-in-1s where it's like the, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a serum balm for your hair but doubles up as heat protectant. Full size of this is £24.50. This is 30ml and it is marked as vegan, gluten-free and zero sodium chloride. So cool, that's always handy to have about. Okay, we've got a Benefit sample, the Professional but the Pearl Finish. Full size is £27.50. This is a 3ml sample. I do not use Benefit because they are not cruelty free. So, but it says fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as the original Professional with an added dose of pink pigment for brightness. Just smooth it all over your face and layer it up to add radiance. Well, I'm not particularly into radiance anyway because I am a very oily skinned individual and I've got my own radiance without help. Okay, and we've got a sun cream. Always very important for this time of year. This is from the brand Polar with 2 A's. And it is SPF 30 and the full price for the full size is £25. It says the best kind of sunscreen is one that doesn't leave white residue behind. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Be sure to top it up throughout the day. Also very important, especially if you've been sweating, because by the way, I was on a bike ride the other day, I sweated around my hairline and literally around here I have the worst, most painful sunburn that I have ever had. Foundation's covering it because, yeah, I'm not feeling that. So, two things that are stuck together a little bit. We've got a eyeshadow from a brand I've never heard of, Ella Eden. So mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines intense colour payoff with long lasting wear. So there was 2 options colour wise, Faith or Julia. I got Julia, which is a pale pink. Faith was brown, so this is probably one I would be more likely to use. I'll need to check whether these are cruelty free or not. This is the full size and it is £12.99. So not the cheapest eyeshadow in the world, so hopefully that will be a good performer. But yeah, we've got a nice little mix there. Especially love getting sun cream, even just as kind of a reminder of people that it's important. And there's a little extra goodie, which is some tea bags. More tea! 3 delicious blends, Earl Grey, mango and bergamot and lemon and ginger from Whittards of Chelsea, which is obviously who is also kind of designed this guy. So yeah, so it's a very pretty set. I can see me keeping that tin for I don't know what. stuff. But yeah, nice little, we had a little bit of makeup, we had a little bit of hair, we had a little bit of body, and like I said, personally, I always love the reminder of putting sun cream into boxes around this time of year. Very important. So, on to Glossybox. And I'm not aware of any theme this month. It's just the normal pink paper and the black ribbon. Oh, okay. What? Right. Stop reading things when you're not showing them. Right. First thing that comes to hand is a Nip and Fab Glycolic Scrub Mix Triple Action Face Polish. Contains 3% glycolic acid, salicylic acids and fine grains. Your skin will be refined and brightened. The fresh grapefruit scent makes this the pièce de résistance of face scrubs. I will try this, but not until the sunburn has gone down, because I don't think that would be helpful or friendly towards that. So the sample size is 50 mils, the full size is 75 mils and would be £9.95. So that's, to be honest with you, that's near enough. That's like a really good sample size. That's 2/3 of the real thing. So next I've got a Monu Skin Eye Cooling Gel. This is weird because this is 15 mils, the full size is 15 mils, but it's in a completely different packaging to the full size. Full size is £24.95. Ooh, that's expensive. Okay, so it says, this eye cool gel will work to soothe and refresh your tired eyes perfectly. Delivering immediate results is an all-round miracle, so say au revoir to dark circles and look forward to hydrated, bright eyes. Interesting. Immediate results? I guess we'll see. We've got a Wilkinson Sword Intuition FAB razor. Okay, as soon as you put FAB with like gaps between it like that, you automatically go into Thunderbirds in your head, at least if you're a child that grew up in like the 90s. That's where I go. I was born in 87, by the way, so I was a kid in the early 90s. So it says, get your poolside pins in check with this revolutionary razor that makes shaving a dream. We're amazed how the bi-directional blades, and water-activated gel allow you to shave forwards and backwards effortlessly. This razor has changed the way we shave forever. Now you can get silky smooth with ease. And it's £12 for one razor. That's so weird. So the blades go in both directions, so like you can... Ooh, that doesn't seem like something you would want to encourage people to do, because then you can almost saw over... Ooh, okay. Interesting, but definitely think I'd need to be careful with habits for that. And we've got a Larizzi Shade Stick. Oh, sorry, Shade Sticks. So I don't really know what the singular would be of that. For healthy glow, this Shade Sticks from French-Canadian brand Larizzi is a must. A fabulous multitasker, it makes a perfect bronzer and cream contour. It's both highly pigmented and long-lasting. We absolutely love the creamy, weightless texture that makes it really easy to blend. It's also cruelty and paraben free. C'est fantastique. There's a lot of French going on. Okay, there is a theme. Right. Grab your sunnies and your straw boater hat because we're heading to the French Riviera. Known to many as the Côte d'Azur, the French Riviera is home to Nice, Cannes, Saint-Tropez and Monaco, playground of the world's mega rich and most glamorous. Don't worry about jetting off just yet because we are bringing chic and sophisticated French beauty essentials to you. Okay, that at least makes sense. This looks so plasticky. Like, I almost feel like if I touch this, nothing's going to come off, which is really weird. Okay. It's a little bit warm, but I still think I could probably get away with it. So this is a full-size product and it's £18. It is the sort of product that would last you forever and ever and ever and ever and ever because there's a lot in there. There is 9 grams of product. Woofed. And then last but not least, this confused me when I opened my box. This is what I was kind of staring at. So this is the Novin Mystic Black Deep Hair Mask. But what caught my eye was just here on the label, I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. It actually says mascara, and that's what caught my eye, was the words mascara and this jar, and I was a bit like, huh? What? But no. So it is a deep conditioning hair mask. It says, this is a new find of ours that we just had to share. We all need a miracle working hair mask that leaves your hair feeling hydrated, free of frizz, tangles and split ends. It's enriched with baobab oil and is free from any nasties, including parabens, sulfates and silicones too. And the full size is $11.95, and you get a whopping kilogram for that, whereas this is a 100ml sample. Oh, it smells really nice. For some reason with the jar I was expecting it to be black, but it's not. And yeah, that smells amazing and kind of tropically and yummy, and yeah. Okay, so who do I like the best? I'm going to have to call it as a draw again, if I'm perfectly honest with you. I think I'm going to get kind of equal use out of all of these. There's been a makeup product in each. We've got the shade sticks and we've got the eyeshadow. Neither are particularly something that I would be all in going for, excited about, but we'll get some use out of. Skincare wise, you know, we've got the glycolic scrub and the eye cool gel. I'll definitely get uses out of those. For Birchbox, we've got the sun cream and the Professional. I'll get use out of the sun cream, not so much Professional. And then we've got hair wise, we've got the hair mask and we've got the smoothing balm. Again, I'll get use out of both, but I'm not particularly like, oh my god, life changing, it's a new product that I never knew existed. I've got hair masks and things that I like. And then body wise, we've got the Strange Razor, which, okay, I'm looking forward to, and the This Works Pillow Spray, which I like. So I'm going to call them as being fairly even this month. So if you guys get either of these boxes, let me know down below what you got in yours. Let me know which one was your favourite, and let me know if you would like a full review on any of the products here. Also, if you like this eye look, there is a video going up on that. It should be up soon. A lovely lady called Sheila had requested this on my Kat Von D brow pomade review, and I finally got around to filming it. I'm a little bit embarrassed, it took me 3 weeks to get around to filming it, but got there in the end. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please press the like button, please subscribe. If you've got any requests, leave those down below, like requests for looks that you see in my other videos, and I will get back to you, and I will see you guys later. Bye!